Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming basics, battery and cleanliness. Remove the cap, inspect that the CR2032 is seated, swap it if the icon shows low. Once done, wipe the probe with alcohol and let it dry for about 10 to 15 seconds so readings aren't skewed. Turn the thermometer on and watch for the ready symbol or stable 0. 0. This ensures the unit is calibrated and ready. Make sure to select oral, axillary, or rectal use as appropriate before continuing. Now position the thermometer for an accurate read. For oral use, place the tip under the tongue at the back and keep lips closed. For axillary, center the probe in a dry armpit pressed against skin. For rectal, insert 1/2 to 1 inch for infants and slightly more for older children. Hold the unit steady. Movement causes low or fluctuating readings. Wait until you hear the beep. Many CVS digital thermometers finish in roughly 30 to 60 seconds, depending on model and starting temperature. After the beep, remove and read the display right away, then record the temperature along with time and method so trends are clear. Clean the probe with alcohol again, let it dry, then replace the cap and power off to preserve battery life. If the unit fails to beep, shows impossible values, or fluctuates wildly, make sure the probe is clean and battery is fresh. Retry the measurement. If problems persist, replace the CR2032 or consult the included manual for model-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.